Welcome. If you're looking to change your display in a scheduled group video chat on Telegram using your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today I'll guide you through each step so you can stand out exactly the way you want in your next group call. First, start by opening your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're running the latest version to access all the new features. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you've scheduled a video chat. Inside your chosen group, look at the chat list until you spot the scheduled video chat event. Click directly on it to see all available options related to the upcoming group call. Next, focus on the top right corner. You'll see 3 dots, often known as the More Options menu. Click those 3 dots to bring up a list of additional choices. From this menu, select Display Me As. This is where you get to switch things up and customize how other participants see you during the video chat. Maybe you want to use your real name, a nickname, or even stay anonymous. This is the place to make that change. After making your selection, review your new display option to make sure it's exactly how you want others to see you in the group video session. When you're satisfied, hit Save to confirm your choice. Your new display setting will be active in the scheduled chat, and it'll help others identify you just the way you want. With these steps, changing your display in a Telegram group video chat on PC is quick and simple. Whether you're prepping for a team meeting, a family call, or a catch-up with friends, taking a moment to set up your display ensures you're seen as you wish. Ready to join your next group chat with your updated display? You're all set.